Programs may be set up to deliver change in parts of an organization, across the entire organization, across several organizations, or within the environment in which the organization operates. A program may be used to deliver a range of different types of change. One such focus is making and delivering. This is where the change being delivered is based on making and delivering new facilities. In this case, the program will tend to be led by the specification of the outputs required. There will be relatively low levels of ambiguity about what the program is to deliver. The scope will be reasonably well defined and adjusted according to circumstances. A second program focus is organizational change. Here, the change is more focused on changing the way an organization works. The program will tend to be led by a vision of the desired outcome and the benefits it will deliver. There will typically be some level of ambiguity about what the precise changes are and how they'll be delivered. But there are fairly clear levers that can be employed to achieve the vision. Finally, there's external or societal change, where the change is focused on interventions and improvements in society. For this, the program will be driven by the desired outcome, but will typically be highly ambiguous and complex to define in terms of what it will involve. The scope may need to be adjusted as ambiguities are clarified over time. Developing a program business case applies to all types of programs and needs to be undertaken by trained people who have the capabilities and competencies to perform the tasks involved.